Have you ever had a call where people said it's making a funny noise outside in the wintertime?
Yeah.
What does the noise sound like?
Well, you hear a change in pressure, and then you hear the compressor like growl. It'll kind of make a loud growling noise.
Yeah. Does it do any of that?
Yeah. So that's the defrost.
What happens when it goes?
Well, that's the reversing valve switching.
Have you ever seen steam fly out the top of one?
Oh yeah, it'll make steam.
Okay, the heat strips for a system. What is heat strips for a heat pump for?
If this coil outside gets too cold, it can't absorb any heat. What it does is it switches and warms this coil back up. And instead of having cold air blowing in your house, the heat strips come on to give you some warm air while it's in the defrost cycle.
So don't call your heat and air man and go, my unit's broke. It's not, it's a heat pump, okay? This is where having a really good heat and air man to explain these things to you, letting you know what the cycle is and explaining to you how the system works and doesn't work.